gotta come up here, Gene.
All right, here we go. We got another big one on. Whisk'R fishing, baby. Whisk'R fishing. Look at him. Taking him around the boat. We got a monster on. Monster, baby. Whisk'R fishing. Gene Burns on the board. On the board. Here we go. Look at that bonehead rod. Bonehead, baby. Bonehead. Look at that. Woo! Look at Gene. He's fighting him hard. I got my net over here, Terry. Terry gonna be the net man. He looks like he's gonna be a monster. I think he's huge. Dude, he's huge. He's like way huge, man. He's probably 30, 40. Oh, look at that bonehead rod. Oh, he's way old, dude. He's like, oh my God. Oh my God, he's huge, dude. He's huge. Oh my God. He's way out there. Look at this, look at this. Oh my, he's huge, man. Look at that rod, man. Taking him like a champ. Wow. 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 Look at that rod, dude. He is huge, man. Catching monsters in the summertime, baby. Oh my God, he came up again. This dude is at least, oh, he's 40 or 50. He's 30 to, oh my God. Oh my God, he's huge. He's probably 40 to 50, man. He is huge. Out here during the summer, August, catching monsters. Why wait for the winter when you can get them right here with Whisk'R fishing in the summer in August? Who says you can't catch big ones out here? Here we go. Let's get him in, man. Let's see how much this joker weighs. Let's get him in. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's get him. Bonehead, baby. Look at that rod. Look at that rod, Tommy. Taking it like a champ. Bringing this joker. Watch when he comes up. See if I can gear in on him. See if I can zoom.
You might need a bigger net.
Oh my God, Terry, you gotta get him on first net. You gotta be a champ on the net. Terry Thorne. Oh, look at this dude. Oh my God, dude. He is huge. That is the beast, dude. That might be the biggest one. That is huge, man. Oh my God. That is deep. And he ain't hooked on that. Hey, he's hooked from the top. You barely got him, man. Put him in, man. You barely got him in, Terry. You gotta get him. First one in. Look at the net. Coming. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that, Big Daddy. Oh, no, come on. Do not come on. Get him, Terry. Terry, bring him in closer. Bring him in closer. If you had to, you can go around the boat because you're drifting away. The wind's so windy out here. You might have to go around the backside with him. Bring him in. Don't. He's hooked good. Here, Terry, let me get him. Let me get him. Hey, give me the net. Give me the net. Hold on. I got him. God damn it. That motherfucker. No, I don't get my hand hooked. God, it's big. Look at that, baby. That is a beast. Whisk'R fishing, baby. That's how we do it out here at Lake Tawakoni. Bam! Way to go, G. Woo! Hand fishing right there. I guess I should start noodling. Y'all see them skills I just did? All right, we out. We're going to take some pictures and let this baby go. How'd I end this thing?